In a picturesque village named Willowbrook, two teenagers, Maya and Liam, found themselves drawn together by their shared fascination for astronomy. Their evenings were spent gazing at the night sky, dreaming about the stars. Over time, their innocent friendship blossomed into a deep and genuine affection. However, the village's traditional values and their family's disapproval created a divide. Undeterred, they decided to prove that love could conquer all. With the help of their friends, Maya and Liam organized a mesmerizing stargazing event that brought the whole village together. The enchanting night sky served as a backdrop for their heartfelt declaration of love, melting the doubts away. Their courage inspired others to embrace change and acceptance. As the years passed, their love story became a legend in Willowbrook, a testament to the power of love, determination, and breaking free from societal constraints.